What up, guys? Today I'm going to build a angle grinder hanger. There we go. Like this. This is the first one I tried making, and it's the first time I used this on my Harbor Freight compact bender. Tried using the 90-degree thing, the attachment. Anyway, hopefully y'all can see this on this table. I don't know. Hopefully that camera angle is good enough. Let me go over the measurements real quick with y'all. Here's the marker. Anyway, this is 1/8 inch steel. And then I got it marked. This is, I'm going to be cutting, it's going to be 13 inches. The length is 13 inches from that I'm cutting out. I got it marked on for 2 inches on one side, on both sides at 2 inches, and then if you flip it over, I got these marked at 4 inches, and this will give me a 5-inch area. 5-inch area of for the grinder part itself. So anyway, let me get this cut out and then we can go from there. Alright, I got it cut. Let me check my measurements. Make sure I am right on 13 inches. Great. Now I'm going to switch over to the hat camera so we can go over to the bender. Alright, hopefully y'all can see this again. I'm sorry, I'm tall. I'm a tall person. I'm going to set this. I'm going to start out on this side that has the 4-inch marks. And then I'm going to make my bends. Get it about right there. These are probably a little off. What I'll have to do is bend these back a little. That's okay. We'll get to that when it comes to that time. I'm going to do the same thing, line it up with that mark. Oh. Line up with that mark. Oh. Boop. Looper right there, guys. But it's okay. We fail from time. I forgot. I was looking at the 2-inch marks. It's okay. Nothing hammer can't fix. Alright. Let's go back and go for the mark for the 4-inch side. So remember to come in. I marked 4 inches on one side, 2 inches on the other, because this is your 4-inch. Okay. Let's do this. Oh. See, that's the problem I'm having with this, is it bends in the middle because the way that where this is, but it's okay because again we got a hammer. keep trying to not pull this back some because I messed that up. Move that out. Alright. Ain't too perfect. I think I got off a little on one of my bends, so y'all could probably tell. Let's see. Let's see. It's off a little. It's okay. We're gonna bend this anyway, so I'm not gonna worry about it too much. I'm new to this bender, so be patient with me, guys. We'll bend the tabs. This right here, these tabs right here. Now, how these look. Okay. Go on to this side now. If I can find the mark. Hold on, guys, I lost the 2-inch mark. Alright, I just need measurements of hose now. This thing ain't perfectly made. It'll work. It's not perfect though. Like I said, I'm getting used to the bender. I ain't had it very long. Well, I've had it a while, but I'm just now getting around to using it. So I'm gonna measure. lost the file, so I'm going to use this to clean it up real quick. I just wanted to get the sandburrs off of that, or the burrs off of that. So now let's get this hung up, and then I'll show you how it works. Weird, my camera's messing up on me. I don't know if it got all of it. Anyway, here it is. One side's longer than the other, messed up on that, so you gotta be careful with your bends. Got it up against the. But that's how it is. Like I said, second time using that. That's my first one up there. First time using, second time using this 90-degree angle on this compact binder or bender. You don't have to use that kind of bender. You could probably use a vise and bend it with a hammer or brute strength. Also, this is my first bender right here, and that's what I made. It ain't pretty, but that's what I made that one up there. Anyway, I'm sorry I'm talking fast. For some reason, something's going on with this camera. I think this camera finally seen its due, so time for a new camera. That sucks, but anyway, hopefully I got it all. Y'all get the idea of what I built or I made. A pretty simple concept, but even better when I get used to that bender more. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Thanks, guys.